Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add a manual transition on your video using VN editor. So let's go to the tutorial. First, open your VN editor and then import the video that you want to edit. I already prepared these two videos and I want to add a transition of these two videos. So the way how to do it, it's so easy. First, on the second part of the video, you need to click it and then click forward button and then like this, and after that you need to move it. For example, I will try to move it on the middle of the video like this. You can see, and after that don't forget to delete the black background, and you can see now the second part of the video is already on the it's already combined into one part of the first video. And on the second video, click it and then click fill like this to adjust the size of it until it's covering all of the screen. And after that, here you can click motion, click the motion, and then for example I will try to use I think the gradient motion, this one, and for the duration I will increase it until it's full, the white point is full like this. And after that click finish, and now let's click the keyframe button here. For example, I will try to edit here. Okay, click the keyframe and then click the mask tools here, click it, and for example I will try to use this mirror mask, and it will be look like this. Now you need to adjust the size of the mask like this and adjust the style of it like this, and swipe left again, add a keyframe one more time and adjust the size of the mask one more time, and the last one make it wider and make sure that it's covering all of the video like this. And after finish, click done, and now we can see the result, and it will be look like this. And that's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.